Okay. This is the garage and the screens. The garage windows that do not work. I'm throwing away this little bag here. That's what I used. That's what I used to operate the master bathtub drain. Got some clean outs over here. We got a lot of paint stored where they've been doing a lot of remodeling. I knew I was going to make another video, so I just thought I'd catch some spares. Door gasket's torn. You got a closer right there that's adjusted out. I think I'm being redundant here. But at least I'm trying not to forget things. Try not to forget things like leaving the door open. I'm trying not to do that. You don't know this, if this is the last video I'm doing today. I don't know what order you're watching them in. I'd just like to say thank you very much for your trust, for your business, your cooperation with the COVID thing. It really means a lot to me and my family. I cannot operate this door. I cannot. I guess. Operator error, yeah. That's how I get Dottie to do all the work in the house. I just try. Don't break it. Failed under testing. It's a good thing that it happened today, because if it would, our clients would have been real disappointed if that would have happened the day after closing when they moved in. They got keys to the house. Yep.